Hello, I am scientist Kameron, and I am from Duke's Academy, and I shall be supporting them in Science Week. And so, this experiment, I shall be making a volcano. A chemical reaction between vinegar and baking soda creates a gas called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the same type of gas used to make the carbonation in sodas. What happens if you shake up a soda? The gas gets very excited and tries to spread out. There is not enough room in the bottle for the gas to spread out, so it leaves through the opening very quickly, causing an eruption. And now we shall be pouring everything in to make the eruption. So first we add the dish soap. Yeah. And now the water. Now we add the vinegar. And now the food colouring.
You're going to need a bit more than that, Cam.
Oh God, no.
It's fine, it's fine. That's it.
And now we shall mix the baking soda with water. And then we shall add this to the water and stand back.
There's your volcano.
Bye. Thank you for helping. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.